Ain't too many things better than being on vacation. But what makes it better being on vacation is when you're getting paid to be on vacation. I use a number of sites to do that, and I'm about to show you how I'm making money on vacation. Watch this. All right, so here's the app right here. I will leave the link to it in the description so you can sign up for it. It is completely free. I'm just gonna show you real quick how I use this app. First, I'm gonna scroll down here to offers you might like. These are things that I've either done in the past or similar to things that I've done in the past. I'm gonna show you offers like that, the amount of cash back that you can get from each one. You'll see here that Uber Eats, I use Uber Eats a lot, and I'm getting 48% cash back. So it's basically like half off my order. They're putting it into my my Dash account, and I'm cashing it out. So that's really cool. I'm gonna go back to the regular offers, and I'm gonna scroll down to grocery here. Yes, you can get cash back for groceries. Most people buy groceries all the time, so you might as well get cash back for it. It will show you the grocery stores that are in your area that are close to you. So that's why you should have your location on, so it can kind of show you, which grocery stores you should go to, the amount of cash back they're offering, things like that. So I'm gonna go back here. Now I'm going to go to restaurants and bars. They have lots of different restaurants and bars to get cash back, a huge selection of them. I'm just going to kind of scroll through and show you some of the ones that are near me as of right now. Huge selection. A lot of them offer 5% cash back, so definitely check that out. Now I'm going to go and show you real quick the hotels. Right now I'm in Cozumel, Mexico, and I'm going to show you just how this works. So you can kind of put in where you want to go, put in the dates, and you just click search, and it'll show you all the hotels that are in that area and the amount of cash back they're offering. So just wait for it to load up. You'll see here the price per night and the amount of cash back you're getting for doing that. Now, I'm going to scroll down and show you the one that I'm at right now. There's residents at the Fives, $195 a night, but I'm getting $407 cash back. Really cool. But again, you can choose any hotel that's in the area. Just select your dates. Very simple. You just, pay for it right then and there, and your cash back comes immediately. You don't have to wait forever. So that's why I love it. When I go on vacation, I always want to look at this app so I can, get a cheap price on a hotel, get cheap prices on restaurants, things like that. So I just want to keep this video kind of short just to show you how easy it is to use. Again, I will leave the link to it in the description. If you sign up and you actually attach your debit card to it, you get $5. Now, the reason they say attach your debit card is so that way they can know that you actually got the cash back. Like, say for instance, I went to one of those restaurants. In order for me to get the 5% cash back, I need to attach my debit card. That way they can see it on my card transaction, and they can give me the cash back. And one thing about it comes instantly, so you don't have to wait forever. As soon as you make that purchase, you'll get a notification on your phone saying you made this purchase. Here's your cash back. It goes right into your Dash account, and you can cash out as soon as you hit $25. All right. So again, same thing. Just the main thing you want to realize or keep in mind is that have your debit card connected, and that when you're going to these hotels, when you're going to these restaurants or anything like that, use that debit card that you have connected to your Dash account. That is really, really important because that's the only way you're going to get paid. And on top of that, like I said, you can get $5 for just linking it to your account. So get started with it today. Link it in the description, and it's completely free. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2thousands.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.